Before starting video, please subscribe to our channel. Opening a Shopify store and working with it is straightforward, but it requires some planning. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started and effectively manage your Shopify store. Step 1. Sign up for Shopify. Go to Shopify's website, click the Start Free Trial button, enter your email address, create a password, and name your store. You can change the name later if needed. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Step 2. Set up your Shopify store. Choose a theme. Shopify provides free and paid themes. You can find them in the Shopify theme store. Customize your theme to reflect your brand by editing colors, fonts, and layout. Add products. Go to Products, add product in your Shopify dashboard. Enter the product title, description, pricing, images, and inventory details. Set up variants, for example, different sizes or colors if applicable. Set up payment options. Navigate to Settings, Payments. Enable payment gateways like Shopify Payments, PayPal, or third-party providers. Add policies for refunds, privacy, and terms of service. Configure shipping settings. Go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery. Set up shipping rates, zones, and methods based on where you ship. Add a domain name. Use Shopify's default domain, for example, storename.myshopify.com, or buy a custom domain from Shopify or a third-party provider. Step 3. Launch your store. Review all settings, product details, and policies. Disable the password protection for your store under Online Store Preferences. Your store is now live. Step 4. Market your Shopify store. Use Shopify apps. Install apps to help with email marketing, SEO, product reviews, and upselling. The Shopify App Store offers many tools. SEO optimization. Write clear, keyword-rich product titles and descriptions. Use alt text for images and create an optimized meta description for each product. Social media marketing. Share your store on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Use Shopify's built-in tools to create shoppable posts and ads. Email marketing. Build an email list using apps like Klaviyo or Omnisend. Send welcome emails, promotions, and cart abandonment reminders. Step 5. Manage and grow your store. Track analytics. Use Shopify Analytics to monitor traffic, sales, and customer behavior. Link your store to Google Analytics for deeper insights. Optimize inventory. Keep track of inventory levels and restock as necessary. Use inventory management apps if needed. Provide excellent customer service. Use Shopify's built-in chat feature or apps like Zendesk to assist customers. Respond promptly to inquiries and resolve any issues. Expand your offerings. Introduce new products based on customer feedback. Offer discounts, bundles, or subscription options. Resources to learn more. Shopify Help Center, comprehensive guides and tutorials. Shopify Community, forums for Shopify users to share tips and experiences. YouTube tutorials. Many Shopify experts offer step-by-step guides. Thank you for watching video. If you are new here, please subscribe for more interesting videos.